first layer of this awesome tamale chili cheese pie, casserole, if you will. We have some pepper jack cheese going on. Those tamales are pork with the red sauce. They're just store-bought, but they're gonna be amazing in this dish. Now we got our Hormel chili. It's a little chili cheese tamale pie. Spread that all around nice like. And I grease this baking dish. What do I always say? There's no beans in that chili, baby. Then we're gonna go in with a little sharp cheddar over the top of this. Guys, this is gonna be an easy meal. And with it being tamale season, it's a perfect thing to do with your leftover tamales, or you could do like me and buy them already made. Cause you know I ain't got the patience to make these bad boys. Next up, we got a little of this cornbread batter going on. And we're gonna do our best to spread this out, but it is gonna mix with that cheese a little bit because this is a thick boy batter. Whew. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is the cornbread mix we used, a little jif. All right. And just do your best to spread it out to the edges. Again, some of it's gonna mix with that cheese. It doesn't matter because we're gonna top this with some cheese. So, this is just pure flavor and goodness, just like your boy. We're going with another little layer of cheese over the top. So it's gonna be cheesy, meaty, tamale-y. Perfect. Time to get this bad boy in the oven. We got it on 400 degrees, right? We're gonna go about 15, 20 minutes. Basically everything is cooked in here except that cornbread batter. So once that's done, you're good to go. I'll see you in a second. Our chili cheese tamale casserole is done. Let it cool off, folks. Let this cool down a bit. Time to get ourselves a little piece of the goodness. Just get a nice sharp knife in there. Kind of work your way down the sides. That is looking luscious and lovely, baby. Look at all that goodness right there. We gotta get a bite. All right, y'all, we got a bite of the goodness here. Look at that cheese. Ooh. Got a little of that tamale in there. The chili, the cheese obviously running through it. Got that crunchy cornbread on top. Cheers, y'all. Yeah, it's still hot. I didn't let it cool off as much as I should have. All right, here we go. It's hot. Oh yeah, babe. Listen, y'all, tamales can be dry and bland. You add all this goodness to the top, it's a perfect way to level up your tamales. Just don't let your abuela know. I don't think she'll approve. I'm gonna sit here and eat this. Because you know it's good, baby.